Is set to purchase the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says that the vaccine is expected in the country on the second week of February. Frontline healthcare workers and those at risk of infection will be the first to receive the vaccine.
Ordered vaccines, and we have made it clear also we have got the protocol that we are going to use to ensure that we start with the healthcare workers, because those are the first line. As soon as the first line workers, and the first line include even people like the police, the healthcare workers, the teachers who are in schools, students and so on. So we have got a system which we have issued that to indicate who will be first to be offered the vaccines. And it is important for us to use that word, the operative term being offered. There is no mandatory vaccination of anybody. It is people who will wish to do so.
Moving